KSU displays placards across Shillong during Amit Shah'S visit highlights pending state issues. Amid heightened security arrangements and movement restrictions during the visit of Union Home Minister Amit Shah to Shillong on Thursday, members of the Khasi Students Union KSU managed to display and tie placards at various strategic locations across the city to draw attention to several long-pending issues affecting Meghalaya. The placards were put up at Shillong Peak, Umshirpi, Civil Hospital, IGP Point, Polo, Maulai and Umiam among other areas. Through the campaign, the KSU sought to highlight its long-standing demands, including the implementation of the Inner Line Permit ILP, resolution of interstate border disputes, opposition to uranium mining, and employment opportunities for nurses from Meghalaya at Nagrins.
No, there is no permission. No permission. Yes, tell me. Give me permission. Did you take permission for the protest? Why the protest? Yeah, that's what. Did you take? No. That's what I am telling you. Please don't obstruct. We are doing duty here. No, this is not the way. Please remove. Yeah. Please remove. Yeah. Get it removed. Please, not take it. No. Now you do it. If you don't do, then yeah, please. See, I cannot wait so long. Please.
We'll remove, sir.
Remove. Now.
We just want to express our view. That's all, sir. It's not that we will create a problem. It's just a peaceful protest.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, हाँ इस तरफ में आ जाओ तो ये थोड़ा फोर्स लेके आ जाओ.